Okay, hello. You have made it this far. You have now exported all your BirdLaser trip cards onto the Google Drive, and I will be showing you how to cleanly export the data from the Google Drive into the Bird Data Google Sheets. So we'll start with the survey I conducted today in Transect 6. Here's all the points. We'll open up 682. And you'll just copy the entirety of the CSV, just like this. Control C, and go to bird data, and go to raw import. And just for good science sake, I always double check which survey this is. So 682, manually put that in. Transect 6.8, visit number 2. And below it, I paste the entirety of it. Then, clean it up, I go to data, and I go to split text to columns, and then it looks very nice from there. And that is the entirety of the raw imports. Now we'll go to observations, where I manually write these in as well, 682, and then this is the species cell, and I will do the equal sign, not that raw imports. And I'll go back to raw import and I will select the first species from the English IOC column, column D. Select that, enter, and then you get to just drag it down. Perfect. Same with this column. This is just the count of the species. And then you find that all the way over here on the right, column O, and just do the first one. Drag that down. This is just a numeric conversion. These are all X's because I heard the species, so you can just drag this down. And then for the final column, go back to equals, raw imports, it's the seen or heard, and again, the first species, and drag it down. Then I'm not a Google Sheets or Excel master, so I do this the old-fashioned way. You might have a better way. This is how I do it. Whoops. And then when you have completed uploading data, it is very important this is clean. There's no extra drag. Sometimes I would drag it down like this, or maybe like this, down the zeros. That is no good for when I do my modeling, so please keep it precise. Okay. Surveys. Go to the bottom, and this is your final one you have to do. And here I just import everything I've already typed in. There's the survey ID, the date. I do this manually. 682. This is the start time column, and I'm consulting my notes. 682. I started at 7:19. This is a consistent column. 6 minutes per survey. Your surveyor initials. This is the sunrise time. And all I do for that is search Popo Sunrise. And I've visited this one. Time and date is great. And 612. And then again, I've already done that, so I just copy it and paste it. This is a column of the difference between um, the minutes in between your start time for the survey and the sunrise. So you can just drag this down. And then this is the weather. 682. It was clear. And there was no monkeys at my site, so I do N, N, N. where you can see species, monkeys at the top, and the rest of the columns. Pretty self-explanatory. And that is how you upload data into this bird project. And again, please just keep it very neat, no excess data falling below. Makes it easier to process. Cheers.